Hello, everybody. This is Teacher Jon, and it's time for another Teacher Jon Circle Time. Let's start with the hello song today. Hello, hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hello. Now you do the echo. I know you remember how to do that. Hello, Jalen. Hello, Jalen. Hello, Noel. Hello, Noel. Hello, Sinai. Hello, Sinai. Hello, Jackie. Hello, Jackie. Hello, Lucas. Hello, Lucas. Hello, Miliano. Hello, Miliano. Hello, Esther. Hello, Esther. Welcome to Circle Time. I'm very happy to see you today. The next thing we're going to do is the song Open, Shut Them. I think you remember how to do this. Get your hands ready. Here we go. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Put them in your lap. Creep them, crawl them. Creep them, crawl them. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in. And so I put my hands behind my back. Maybe you just put yours down. It's all good. The next thing I want to do today is something we haven't done recently, but you may already know this song. It's called the ABC song or the alphabet song. And today I'm going to use my hand to do sign language. Sign language is a way to do the letters with your hand, all right? And if you want to copy me, you can. So here we go. I'm going to go pretty slow. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Very good. You can rewind and practice that again if you want to. So recently, we've been practicing letters. And some of us have been drawing them. And if you've been drawing other things, that's awesome. So far, we've done A, B, and C. So A, B, C, D. Today's letter is the letter D. So D, here's the big D, and here's the little d. The letter D is in many words, like dog and duck and dig. How many of you have dogs in your house? Or how many of you have touched or petted a dog? How many of you have seen a duck? Ducks like to fly, but they also like to be in the water. How many of you have ever played in sand and you were digging? Maybe you dug a hole in the sand. Dig is another word that begins with the letter D. But how do we make the letter D? Let me get my tools. I have my paper and my clipboard. Today I have a red marker. Take the marker top off. Now I'm going to make the letter D. I'm making a straight line down to start. And then I make a big half circle like that. Now, the small d, I also make a straight line down. And then I make a bump on the other side. And that's the letter D. Capital D, small d. Some people say big D, little d. There we go. If you do your work at home, you can have your mom or your dad or your guardian send it to me and I'll put it on our circle time. Thank you so much for being here today. Let's sing our goodbye song. 1, 2, 3. Happy trails to you until we meet again. Happy trails to you. I'm glad you are my friend. Happy trails, everybody. Take care.